Hello people, Greg the Wild Hippie back once again in the bedroom once more. It's been a while, so railway update number 9. There's not been a great deal happening, apart from I bought a load of track. Yeah, 40 quid off some guy in Gateshead. Got some points as well. Unfortunately some of the points were broken. I'm just waiting until I've got time and money for the petrol to go and swap them. So he's promised to swap the broken ones out for ones that aren't broken. But I've got a left-hand point, so I can finally replace this one. Also have a nice new to me loco. I've got a class 37. I got off a nice chap near Newcastle. Cost me, I think it was £35 or £45. I can't remember. It's a great little runner. It's bomb-proof and reliable. It's actually, unlike the 50, doesn't need warming up. She just goes straight away. 50's over there. Yeah, it's a complete mess at the minute. I've had lots going on. I've ordered some more cork, but Muppet Boy here, you know, just clicked on the first one he saw at the right thickness and at a good price. Turns out it's coming from America. Yeah, the guy took him a week to post it, even though well, he hadn't posted it, and a week later I said, "You're going to post this or what?" And he went, "Oh yeah, sorry, I'll post it now." So I'll be here beginning of next month, which is really annoying. But yeah, hey ho, what can you do? Yeah, and also I ran out of money this month because I can't count, so I haven't been able to buy any more ballast, which is really frustrating because I want to crack on and get that finished so I can get the raised area done. But you know, such is life, as you know, as always, especially with me. And then you've got this. I made this today in the workshop. This is sort of a control box, so it's going to get mounted on the side here, so it's out of the way. And yeah, the controllers are going to go in there, so I'm probably going to fit that first, and then swap out that point and see if that makes any difference. So let's get that fitted. Right, after a bit of waggling and gnashing of teeth, we're good to go. So yeah, around the right way as well. Right, move that around. Right, next job is going to be replacing those points. So let's have a go at that, shall we? This is going to be fun. Not. I've got to be careful because there's like the ballast in here. But yeah, we'll have a go. I'll set you up there. I think you can probably see well enough. Yeah. So the screwdriver. Good thing I didn't nail these tracks down. We've got to do something about a connection here as well that keeps going a bit weird. Well, you can see that there's a connection here that goes a bit weird, but we can deal with that in a little while. Oh dear. Oh, bugger. You hate it when your fish place misses. I think we're going in. Oh, get in there. Right. Let's see what happens, shall we? Let's get this party started again. Right. Cool. Alright, let's put 50 in the siding, out of the way. There's a bit of an iffy connection on that, but it doesn't matter. So, what are we doing? We're going to go on there. So, oh, that looked promising, didn't it? You muppet. Hang on. Yeah. It does help if you actually have the other track on. So yay. Happy days. Lovely jubbly, right. Cool. See if she goes through the other way. Yep. Happy days. Everything nice and smooth. Like that. Obviously different voltages going through, but we'll work this out. Come on, baby. No! See if she'll go over this time. No, she doesn't like that one now. Why? There's no logical explanation for that. Oh, hang on, it might be... might be the bogey itself. But then 50 was doing it. The bogey does feel quite stiff. Oh, flipping heck. Right, we missed half of that because I pressed the wrong blimmin' button. We missed all of that. I don't even know what we even had. So, yeah. Like I said, she's going. Probably just needs a few more beans. But yeah, like I said, both the having two different controllers means that I'm getting slightly different power outages from each one. Yeah, happy days. We'll send her back the other way. Hang on. Put you down there so you can see. Brilliant, that now it's working. Very happy. This point is a bit, whoops, yeah, does help you reverse the polarity on the other one, doesn't it? Try that again in a minute. Right, let's have another go. So pop you on the middle track. There we go. Well, that's kind of working. Yeah, so that's a lot better than it was. We've still got a slight issue when going in one direction over here, which I just cannot seem to fathom out. But yeah, it's the best I can do with it. Just gonna get the pins back in there, and then we'll yeah, I need to find my hammer. So yeah, just a little update today. There's not a lot else I can do until that cork arrives, and next month hopefully I'll be able to afford to buy some more ballast. We'll have to wait and see on that. Yeah, just trying to think. Yeah, this bit of rusty old track here is an idea I've had. What I might do eventually with some, if I've got enough ballast and that left over, I might ballast this up and have like a big pile of ballast here and here, make it look like this where the railway used to go. I don't know, just toying with the idea, because I probably mentioned before I did buy a load of rusty old track of someone. I didn't realise how bad it was until I got home, and yeah, it's not usable, but it can be used for like you know, so some type where you used to see sort of back in the day piles of track, you know, sections of track when it used to be what, the 10 yards long, and they used to pull it up and they just used to stack it before they replaced it. And used to see that sometimes where sidings used to be and that before they built on them, piles of that. So yeah, I'll probably end up doing that in some places. Yeah, I think that's going to about do it for this one. Yeah, it's just a little update. I'll be back with you on this. It will be probably later next month, if I've been able to afford to buy some more ballast. So actually, well, when the cork arrives, we'll do another track laying session. Probably, yeah. If I've got ballast, then we'll do all the ballast, and I'll do the raised area, and get that done. But if I haven't, then we'll do a couple of sidings, because I mean they're scrap now. They can go over there, but I do have yeah, I do have a couple of sets of points. So I was thinking maybe like 4 lots of sidings in here, I need to get some more buffer stops because I've only got 2. But yeah, it's just ideas I'm playing with. Like I said, I've got all of this track, which is plenty enough to do some sidings and the station. Once I get the track done, I really want to get on with that. I mean, I've got this kit here, which if you've watched all of the updates, the London Road station. Yeah, I want to really build that up and weather it and all the rest of it. I'm gonna mask up and paint the canopies. It's a shame about the ejector pin marks on them, but I can't really do much about it. But yeah, I'd like to get that built up properly and set up. But that one day we'll get round to that. One day. So yeah. Sorry it was a bit boring. Sorry I waffled a bit much, but yeah. Thanks for watching. Leave us a comment, like and subscribe, and yeah, I'll see you on the next one very soon. Take it easy.